let's take you on a quick example of how this works. Let's say, for instance, that I have injured myself while sleeping. For those of you who are over 30 years old, you probably found out, yeah, you can actually hurt yourself sleeping. So let's say I've hurt my wrist. So I'm going to need this and 2 electrodes. So something to mention about these electrodes is they come with a nifty gel adhesive, and it is super sticky. You can put it on your skin, take it back off, put it right back on this pad. Now, after several uses, you might find this stops sticking because of all the oil and hairs that get stuck to it. All you have to do is just take it to the sink, add a little bit of light soap, rub it in, rinse it off, then set it down on a towel and let it air dry. Once it's dry, you can pick it up, put it right back on this pad, it'll be as good as new. Alright, so let's continue here. So I got my hurt wrist. I'm gonna need 2 of these electrodes. Peel one off, put it on the right side, peel the second one off, put it on the left side. Now you always need 2 in order for this to work properly. So you can put it here, on the sides, I could also put it on the top and bottom. Really just depends on where your injury's at and where your most sensitive parts of your skin are. So once I got those, I grab myself one of these cords. So these end cords attach to the electrodes. Got that one on. That one on. Next thing we have to do is plug this end into one of the 4 ports on the Auvon. I'm going to choose port 1 just out of simplicity, and it is recognized as channel 1. So you got channel 2 and channel 3 and channel 4. So you can have up to 8 electrodes for larger body parts. For small, like this wrist, 1 will do fine. Now we're ready to turn this on. So hold this button down. Let it boot up. So we gotta make sure it's on channel 1. And next we have to choose what body part we are working on. So as you see, they make this real simple. You got your neck, shoulder, back, elbow, hip, ankle, knee, leg and arm, and wrist. We're gonna be working on the wrist. So I push that. See it flash on the little guy there. So the next thing is we're going to adjust the intensity of the stimulation. So this is a very small body part, so it's not going to take that much. I'm going to probably set this at about 2. I already feel it. So after that, you will notice it's set for 20 minutes. When you initially start this, it automatically sets for 20 minutes. You can adjust that by hitting this T button. Each time you press this, it gives you another 10 minutes. So you go 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50, 60, all the way up to 90 minutes. If I press it one more time, it's on continuous. One more time after that, we're back to 10. The next important button on here is this lock button. So once you get everything set, you got your wrist, got your channel right, got your intensity where you want it, your time, then you lock it into place. Press it once, so then whenever you hit anything else, it will not change it. You can increase intensity, down, nothing changes it, which is a really nice feature. But if for some reason you do want to adjust it a bit, just hit the lock button one more time, adjust it, hit it again, you're good to go. Now we're going to get into what I think is the most special feature of this Auvon H1. It's these buttons down here. These are what I call kind of the virtual reality massage buttons. So each time you hit one of these, it kind of gives you the virtual feel of somebody massaging your skin. It's funky cool, but actually feels nice. So we got here the kneading, got acupuncture, tap, cupping, scraping, and then random that kind of goes through an assortment. So what is so cool about this is it's still pulsating the electrical stimulus through your muscle, helping to reduce pain, but what it's also doing is giving you the virtual feel as if you're getting a massage. So that concludes our quick tutorial on how to use this Auvon H1. When you're all done, you just push that button, it turns off, disconnect it, take your electrodes off, put them away. I have to say, this is one of our favorite gadgets that we have had this year. It works, manages pain actually pretty good, it's easy to use, it's kind of fun because you get a massage. So yeah, that's the end of that. So we have a lot more stuff coming up down the line, so stay tuned. Bye bye.